Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the steps of clearing cookies and cache in Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge browsers. Let's start off with Google Chrome. After opening the browser, click on the kebab menu, represented by 3 vertical dots located in the top right corner. From there, select Settings, followed by Privacy and Security, and Clear Browsing Data. In the Basic tab, you will find 3 options of what you want to clear, such as browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. You can also select a time range for the items you wish to clear. In the Advanced tab, in addition to previously mentioned options, you will be able to clear saved passwords, download history, site settings, etc. Once you've made your selections, click on Clear Data, and you're done. Alternatively, you can click on 3-dot menu in the top right corner of an open browser window, select More Tools, and then Clear Browsing Data. This will bring up the same menu as before. For an even quicker access, simply press Ctrl, Shift and Delete buttons, and you will be taken directly to the before mentioned menu. In Microsoft Edge browser, click on 3 horizontal dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Navigate to Privacy, Search and Services tab, and in the Clear Browsing Data section, click on Choose what to clear. Pick a time range, select what you want to be cleared, and then press Clear Now. Same as in Google Chrome browser, you can also press Ctrl, Shift and Delete to access the same menu quicker. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Thank you for your attention, and I'll see you in the next one.